Good afternoon, it's Gary from Petererbilt.com coming to you from the Lower Mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2007 Petererbilt 379 highway tractor. It is a Cat C15 engine, 475 horsepower. The engine was rebuilt by Finning and it is warranted up to September 2014. It does come equipped with an engine brake and an 18-speed Eaton Fuller transmission with overdrive. The kilometers, 1,352,000, and engine hours, 23,973. The front axle suspension rating is 12,000 pounds and the rear 40,000 pounds on Petererbilt FlexAir DSP 41Ps. The rear axle ratio is 3.36 with a 244-inch wheelbase. It has a 63-inch single sleeper. Tires all the way around are 11R 22.5. Aluminum rims all the way around inside and out. It does have 3 new batteries, a new alternator, a new fifth wheel, and a new air dryer. I'm going to do a general walk around of the unit. Then I'm going to come up close for a tight inspection. The unit appears to be very well maintained on my first general look I had. It's a rich purple color. We are losing some light later in the year, so there might be some difficulty in certain parts of the truck with the video. And what the video doesn't show, the pictures will. And we're going to come up close now, and let's go right into the grill. It looks like it's in good condition. Nice wide bumper, and let's just pan up the passenger side. I'm going to go back to the bumper and fold along and go up the driver's side. We'll show you the tires once the hood is open in a few minutes. And the air cleaner's in good condition. No dents. Let's take a look at the mirrors. They're also in good condition. Steps are nice and level. The housing to the exhaust is in good shape. It is a dual exhaust. An aluminum fuel tank, probably 150 gallons. The exact size will be listed on the website. And let's take a look at the rear of the unit. Steps are nice and level, and so is the aluminum decking. You can see it has an air ride in the cab. Looks like it has half fenders. And let's take a look at the tires, and we'll start with axle number 2. There's lots of life left in these tires. And we'll take a look at axle 3 here. Looks very consistent on tire wear so far. And again, lots of life here. We're just on the inside tire now. And let's take a look here at the back of the unit. All the cross beams are nice and straight. wheel. And a general look, I do not see any leaks. Got a good look at the suspension there for you. And we're at the driver's side of the unit now. Go up to axle number 3. And again, very consistent tire wear, lots of life left. Let's take a look at axle number 2. And again, consistent tire wear, all in very good condition. Come behind that 5th wheel here, give you a little bit of a better view. Steps on the driver's side to the decking are good. Little paint delamination here over the air ride. All the hookups are in order. Looks like the fuel tank is the same size, about 150 gallon. And the body in the sleeper is in very good condition. No scratches or any body damage so far. Let's take a look here at the air cleaner. Mirrors on the driver's side, also in good condition. Air cleaner's good. That is a scratch in here. Very minor. I'll show you those front tires in a bit. Let's take a look inside the cab. There is a no shoes policy in here, so I expect it's going to be quite clean. Looks like the original seats in very good condition. And we have some customization here on the panel. Some chrome switches. Get in and show you these gauges here as best I can get in behind the steering wheel. You can see the readings. There's a chip, 2 chips on the passenger panel, and a crack, or on the driver panel was 2 chips, and the passenger panel has a crack. I'm just going to show you the floor here. And let's take a look at the sleeper. Of course, we are losing light. Show you what I can. Again, the photos will show everything. So I have a flash. Beautiful unit, nice and clean. Let's take a look under the hood. There you have it. Another great piece of iron. GetAnIron.com. Thanks for watching.